Viewers, it's been nearly 4 months after the SCO summit projected a move towards stabilizing ties between India and China. A sharp warning has now emerged from the United States. The Pentagon's 2025 report, which we are referring to here, accuses Beijing of playing a dual-track strategy. Well, what is it? Easing tensions along the line of actual control tactically, while tightening military pressure on India through Pakistan on the other side. India Today Global Report brings you this comprehensive report in terms of what exactly has been going on. Let's take a look.
Nearly 4 months after the SCO meet projected an image of stability between India and China, a United States study highlights challenge for New Delhi. The Pentagon's latest 2025 report accuses Beijing of running a dual-track strategy, dialing down tensions with India along the line of control while simultaneously tightening the military noose around India through Pakistan. According to the Pentagon's 2025 annual report on China's military power, the easing of tensions at the LAC is tactical, not transformational. While India and China agreed in October 2024 to disengage for remaining standoff points, the report says Beijing's real objective is to stabilize ties with New Delhi and prevent a deeper India-US strategic alignment. It flags a deep trust deficit, stressing that China continues to label Arunachal Pradesh a core interest, placing it in the same category as Taiwan and the South China Sea, directly challenging India's sovereignty. Even as diplomacy unfolds on the border, Pentagon raises serious alarm over China's military push in Pakistan. Since 2020, Beijing has supplied Islamabad with 36 J-10C fighter jets, co-produced JF-17 aircraft, and delivered armed drones and naval platforms, significantly boosting Pakistan's combat capability. The report also notes joint China-Pakistan military drills and warns that Pakistan could host future Chinese military facilities, extending the PLA's reach close to India's borders. For New Delhi, the report signals one clear takeaway: peace at the border cannot be mistaken for the absence of pressure. This is a long game and the stakes remain high. Bureau Report, India Today.